Welcome. We are Kevin and Janine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we sail a boat from England to New York, see cool things, meet cool people, and experiment with a lifestyle a little outside of the ordinary.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Today we're leaving Sao Nicolao, heading for Sao Vincente, or where the port of Mindelo is. Today is a Jibalone day, but it may also be a race day. They just put up their jib. It's gotten a little wild out there. Found the wind gusting to 24, 25. Kevin's had a few showers this morning now.
Saltwater shower.
Saltwater
The
shower.
epitome of luxury.
Means we'll get there double quick. Going 8 knots instead of 6 or 7.
Pretty nice ferry ride. Sat and chatted with the boat owner the whole time. Had a tea.
Yeah.
Santo Antao, which means Saint Anthony in Portuguese, is the westernmost island of Cape Verde. It is also the second largest island in the Verdes and is nicknamed the Island of Mountains. As we drove further and further up the cobblestone road, we began to see the Verde in Cape Verde, Verde meaning green. We hiked Cova with the crew of Spela and the ladies from Rapau.
So this is the crider.
Cova is a volcano crater used for traditional non-irrigational agriculture. The rest of the island features stepped irrigational agriculture, all of which has to be maintained by hand. Santo Antao is full of amazing mountain scenery, and the Delgadinho mountain ridge has some of the best views we've ever seen.
Imagine going in there with a boat.
Yeah, I wonder what the draft would be. Crazy Frenchman.
Yeah, the crazy Frenchman would do it.
Yeah.
Cappy black.
It's
a black pepper Indian.
What's it taste like?
Maybe, I don't know, blueberry?
Blueberry.
Bola Valley.
La toiture.
Sugarcane.
Sugarcane.
Sugarcane. Probably the
Strapping.
the arrows on sugarcane.
There goes Spela. We'll be following them in about a week. Cat poo. Fish and chips and salad. And then like potato couscous, fried rice, and he said turkey, but I think it's pork.
Yeah.
You still want my chips?
Yep.
Thief. How's the strella?
Cool.
Cold. Perfect. We're just coming back to the boat, and the dock's in rough shape here. Woo. Super cool. These super cool sunglasses.
Well, still getting prepped. Go up the mast, see if there's anything amiss.
Yep. Just gonna go check the rigging. We've been slowly preparing for our Atlantic passage. Cleaned out some lockers yesterday, packed the dinghy away. Next order of business, we're gonna change the sheets because these jib sheets have been swapped around a few times, and I think they've been in use for quite a while. The chafe here, you know, it's like the line is almost broken. So we're switching them to red lines.
Still brown, but better than before.
There's so much dust in Sao.
Yeah.
Dirtier water is there. Dirty. Everything dirty.
No, he gets bigger.
No, I think they get like
Hello, buddy.
Bye! So that's Jackie, Welly, Pete, and Colin. Rapau.
Rapau?
Yeah. We'll have to find people to help us cast off when we go. Gotta make everything ship shape. So doing some deck scrubbing. Just getting there. This stuff is like magic. See the rust around this stanchion? I've just sprayed some of this stuff here, and it's pretty incredible. It disappears. So that's the one I just did, and there's no more rust anywhere around this guy. No scrubbing required.
Engine fuel system maintenance day. Yeah. Ton nom?
Ilidio. My name is Ilidio.
Ilidio. Et ton assistant?
Paulo.
Paulo. Okay. So what we did already, or what he did already, changed the fuel filter, and then following it along, there's the fuel pump. There's a little like wire filter in there that he also checked. It was actually really clean. And coming back, there's a pre-filter here. It's mounted in such a way you can't actually drain the bottom of it. So we changed out that filter, but I'm gonna try and reorient it so it's possible to actually do regular maintenance, drain any water out of it in the future.
Yeah, put the water maker away now that we've pickled it. Next, we'll take some our diesel jerrys and top up the boat, then fill the jerrys.
Now that you can see, Shane.
Easy for people with long legs. We're on a quest to find good internet. This place is pretty fancy. Yeah, and lunch. We're gonna see if this restaurant has good internet. Maybe upload an episode. Once. Treating ourselves to a hotel night tonight. Merci, thank you.
We're at the airport.